GM, everybody. So for those of you that don't know me, I'm Leemo from Novasama Technologies, and I'm here today to talk to you about a brand new thing we've been cooking up, Telenova, which is a user-friendly Polkadot wallet built into Telegram. So the agenda for this presentation will be a quick intro into building substrate apps on Telegram. Then we're going to talk a bit about why we chose to build on Telegram. And then we're going to talk a bit about Telenova, the product. And then we're going to do a demo where one of you is going to have to come up here and get some free dot. So let's go through a quick intro into building substrate apps on Telegram. So T-apps, Telegram apps, these are basically web apps that are running inside Telegram itself. So this is a nice architecture schematic provided by the Telegram team. You can kind of think of T-apps as like websites running inside Telegram that use a couple of APIs provided by the Telegram team. You can use the standard JS stack for your front-end development, and you can use any standard back-end stack for your bot development. These are the tools that we used at Novasama Technologies to build Telenova. So it's pretty easy to get involved. But there's some limitations when you're building on Telegram, especially building a substrate app on Telegram. There's some different behavior on different devices that's kind of frustrating. For example, on my nice MacBook, I cannot scan QR codes for some reason, but on my iPhone, I can, which is kind of frustrating. And the clipboard doesn't work well on some platforms randomly, which is a bit frustrating as well. And you have to study the rules and limitations of both Substrate and the Telegram SDK. For example, Telegram has some features that are locked behind a paywall where you kind of have to pay quite a lot of money to the Telegram team in order to have your T app on the little paperclip attachments menu, which unlocks some additional functionality that you normally can't use if you haven't paid Telegram. And then Substrate, it's sub0, so probably quite a lot of you are Substrate developers. You need to study things like how networking is done, metadata issues, and stuff like that. So both of those combined are a bit interesting to work with. Now, why Telegram? So hands up, who uses Telegram in the room, right? Pretty much everybody. So there's actually 800 million Telegram monthly active users, which is insane. On this graph, you can... Oh, my microphone slipped. Yeah, on this graph, you can see the kind of insane growth of Telegram over the past few years. And this 800 million number was from July last year, so you can assume that it's quite a bit higher. But there's some cross-pollination between people that use Telegram and Web3 users, because Telegram has their own wallet, and there's already 7 million users of it. So there's definitely, it's not just people chatting on Telegram, people are already using Web3 applications on Telegram as well. And a lot of these Web3 communities are on Telegram. Probably if you're in the Polkadot ecosystem, you've been added to like 100 different Telegram groups in the past month. And Web3 users already see Telegram as this place where they can use applications, right? For example, there's this app called Unibot, which is like a trading bot, and you can access it through Telegram, right? So it's already kind of in the mindset of people that you can use this platform for Web3 applications. And T-apps allow users to interact with their Web3 users to interact with their non-Web3 friends. And there's no additional requirements put on the non-Web3 people to install something like a browser extension or any other software to join Web3. They can just use Telegram, which is pretty nice. And this is where Telenova comes in. So Telenova is a Polkadot wallet built into Telegram. It's a T-app. And it features Web2-like onboarding, because probably if you've tried to onboard your family or your friends, seed phrases are a bit annoying. But they're used to the standard Web2 onboarding flow. And it also features encrypted cloud backups, so it's easier to recover your account if you swap devices and stuff like that. And one of the best features of Telenova is you can send tokens to anyone on Telegram. They don't need to already have an account. You just put in their username, send tokens to them, and it creates a wallet for them. So it's really simple onboarding flow. Currently, you can manage Polkadot DOT and Kusama KSM tokens, but we're looking at adding more in the future if the community really likes Telenova. You can monitor the price action of these tokens, and very soon we will add the ability to buy and sell tokens with our on and off-ramp partners, which is pretty cool. And finally, it allows you to quite easily migrate your account from Telenova to Nova Wallet, so you can get access to more features, right? So now we kind of have the concept of this like Novasama university for the Polkadot ecosystem, featuring Anton's cat Siri looking rather nice. So for absolute beginners to the Web3 space, we have Telenova. Like we said before, it's easy onboarding flow. They don't have to really worry about the seed phrase too much. It's quite simple in terms of features. But then, if you want to dive more deeper into the Polkadot ecosystem, you can use Nova Wallet, which has more features like staking, swaps, governance, and the ability to use any dApp in Web3. And then you become the Polkadot enjoyer. And finally, if you've really kind of got your feet wet, you're like in the pool, you can use Nova Spectre, which has things like multi-sig operations. It'll soon have proxies and peer proxy support. It has light client functionality. And for the absolute turbo nerds, it has multi-shard features, which is quite in-depth. It's demo time. So I need somebody that has Telegram, that knows how to scan a QR code and wants some free dot. So who wants free dot, basically? Let's go, right? OK, so I have videos to show everybody else the process. Can you please scan that QR code and send me a message? OK, so what I am going to do now, after you send me a nice message, OK, let me... He's asking me to pay him, which he will soon get. OK, so now the process that I am going to do, which we will play a video of, is I am going to open Telenova, if it plays. It is playing, great. I'm going to open Telenova. I'm going to press send. And I'm going to send as a gift in Telegram. I'm going to select dot. And then I'm going to enter some amount of dot. In the video, it's 420 dot, obviously. And then once I've pressed send, you will receive a message. Obviously, it's a live demo, and it's taken a bit to load. OK, so then what will happen is you will receive a message. Let me do it with this, and I will send you the dot later. So once you have received this message in about 10 seconds, let me prepare the gift. The gift has been prepared. I will now share it with you. It will be West End now, but I'll send you the dot after. OK, so now you should have a message, right? Yep. So now he has the message that was on screen. Yeah? Yep. So now we're going to show your flow. So now you're going to press launch. And what's going to happen is he will get something, the onboarding flow, right? Yep. So launch the app. Okay. Then you enter a new password for Telenova. And then Anton's cat Siri will encrypt the wallet for you.
Yep, so he's got a password.
Yeah. So the seed phrases are encrypted by your Telegram login and the password for Telenova.
Okay. Not a very secure password. Should be all right.
And then on the video, you can see I get thanked by the person, which was Gavin Wood in the previous video.
The wallet has been created.
Great. Live demo working.
It was playing.
Great. So I think that's pretty cool, right? It's like easy onboarding flow for people. Probably if we get dinner tonight, you can send me some reimbursement in dot, right? But what's awesome is if you just scan that, you can use it right now. So it's still in alpha. The like full release is in like 2 weeks. But please try it out. Send dot and KSM tokens to people. Let us know any feedback.
Good.
Yeah, great.
Thank you.
And if you're from Parachain team, please reach out to me if you want to be included in Telenova. And if the community really likes it, we're going to add tons more features as well. And that was a really quick use of my time. Thank you very much. And I guess if we have questions, if it's technical, my colleague Valentine will answer the technical questions.
Yeah, is there any question?
Let's say I'm a beginner and I onboard into Telenova, but then I really get my feet wet and I want to go up the university ranks into just Nova Wallet on the mobile, how does that account migration process happen?
Basically, in the settings menu, so if you have downloaded it, there's a settings menu, and you can reveal your passphrase and import that into Nova Wallet.
Okay, so Telegram then takes my seed phrase that's encrypted on the back end and
Yeah.
unencrypts it and shows me it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Anyone else? Okay.
Thank you. Two questions. Is there some UI consideration that tell users that they shouldn't store too much funds, and perhaps use Nova Wallet with real self custody? That's the first question, and the second one is technical. Do you use the gifts palette on the back end to send out to non-Web3 people?
I guess for the first one, in the settings menu, it does kind of prompt you to migrate to Nova Wallet. For the technical question, Valentin, take it away.
Yeah, thank you for the question. We don't use gift palette because, as far as I remember, it's only available on Kusama, and we support both Polkadot and Kusama. We use the same approach as inspired by Sean's application .gift or something like that. I don't recall exactly. So it's basically just generating a new passphrase, sending funds to it, and sending the passphrase in a link.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
More questions? We have time? Yeah, but if there's no... Okay.
Oh, don't fud me, Jakob.
Why is this so bullish?
It's just giga bullish. Never seen anything like it in my life.
All right, big thanks to Leemo. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody.
That was very nice.